play that drum. Hit it. That's it.
What are you doing? Taking a piece of your sister.
Lost his drumstick, give him the other drumstick. Alright. Let him hold it. There we go. Lena, let him play with it.
My drum kit.
Yeah, we'll let him play with it.